Conservation. Protection of natural things to prevent them from being destroyed. The conservation of energy is so important to last longer. Deserve. To be worthy of something as a reward or punishment. Dr. Zhu Wei won the Nobel Prize. In fact, he deserves it. Effluent. Liquid waste into the river or the sea. I think something wrong with the pipes caused all this effluent. Fauna. The animals of a particular region or geological period. Some scientists are going on an expedition to explore the fauna. Fence off. To enclose a space with a fence. The villa has been fenced off to stop people from entering. Flora. The plants of a particular region or geological period. We can see flora growing in the pools in Al-Jara Pools Nature Reserve. Hectare. A metric unit of square measure equal to 10,000 square meters. How many hectares does this farm contain? It seems a large one. Marsh. An area of low-lying land that is flooded in wet seasons. A marsh is an area that has water and mud all the time. Propagation. The breeding of plants and animals by natural processes. Al-Jara Pools Nature Reserve provide the region with propagation. Sanctuary. The place of refuge or safety. Kuwait's reserve in Al-Jara is an important sanctuary. Vegetation. Plants considered collectively. Natural life of birds and animals faces many dangers like lack of vegetation. Aggressive. Behaving in an angry way as if you want to fight or attack someone. Some people become aggressive when you don't agree with them. Fierce. Angry or ready to attack. He was fierce because he didn't win the match. Herbivore. An animal that feeds on plants. Animals that feed on plants like cows and sheep are called herbivores. Hostile. Unfriendly. Some films and computer games have turned our children to be hostile. Proud. Feeling of happiness as a result of something you have achieved. He was proud when he reached the top of the mountain. Stubborn. determined not to change his mind. I tried hard to stop Sila not to go to the sea alone, but he was stubborn. Sustenance. Food and drink regarded as a source of strength. Carbohydrates provide athletes with a lot of sustenance. Tame. Not dangerous or frightening, domesticated. Animals like camels, sheep and cats are tame animals. Adjacent. Next to something. He didn't buy the house. It is adjacent to the railway. Bed out. To transfer a plant from seed tray to a garden plot. We can bed out flowers here for butterflies to have enough food. Carbon monoxide. A poisonous gas produced when carbon burns. Carbon monoxide is formed by burning carbon of old cars. It's a poisonous gas. Clean up. The removal of waste and rubbish from land. We have called for a clean-up campaign to keep streets free from rubbish. Exotic. Unusual and related to a foreign country. Some people imitate exotic haircuts and ways of wearing. Finance. To provide funding for a person or enterprise. We don't have enough money. We must find a bank to finance our project. Global. Relating to the whole world. Pollution and traffic jams are global problems. Imperative. Of vital importance, crucial. It's imperative to find a solution for the traffic jam problem. Mammal. A warm-blooded animal. Elephants and dogs are mammals, but birds, fish and crocodiles are not. Nest. A structure made by a bird for laying eggs and sheltering its young. I saw a bird building its nest in a tree. On behalf of. In the interests of a person or group. On behalf of the whole company, I'd like to thank you for all your work. Toxin. Chemical that has a negative effect on the body. Water prevents dehydration and removes toxins from the body. Wasteland. An unused area of land that has become barren or overgrown. We can benefit from wastelands. They can be used for building and growing. Cool. The characteristic sound of a bird or another animal. The elephant has a very distinctive call. Genus. One of the groups into which scientists divide animals or plants. Lesser kestrels are small birds. They are from the falcon genus. Pesticide. A chemical substance used to kill insects and small animals. Pesticides kill pests in crops, but they can also damage people's health. Poacher. A person who hunts animals illegally. Some animals are in danger. They are threatened by poachers and forest fires. Underpart. The underside of an animal's body. Lesser kestrel is a small bird with brown back and grey underparts. Widespread. Found or distributed over a large area. The large earthquake in Japan caused widespread damage.